Be Safe is a proactive safety campaign for seafarers. This video aims to raise awareness of safety issues for crew members working at height. Working at height is defined as working in any location where there's a risk of falling. There are a number of different tasks undertaken on a vessel that fit this description. They include working on ladders, in tanks or void spaces, alongside an unguarded opening, overboard, from scaffolding, on cranes, or up masts. Work at height should only be carried out if there are no reasonably practicable alternatives. If working at height is necessary, the work must be properly planned, supervised, and executed safely. The planning stage should include a risk assessment, which should be conducted by a competent person who understands the work being assessed. Ideally, the seafarers who will be doing the work should be involved in this assessment. The first step in the risk assessment process is to identify hazards and their likelihood and severity, with particular attention to the following: unsuitable weather conditions, unguarded openings, hazards in the vicinity of the work location, working at height with tools and the danger to personnel below, the incorrect use of equipment, such as ladders and mobile scaffolding towers. Other hazards requiring management, for example, enclosed space entry or working overboard. Once the potential hazards have been identified, the risks should be evaluated and suitable control measures implemented. These control measures may include placing permanent or temporary guards around any openings, ensuring the work area has adequate lighting, isolating potentially injurious equipment, securing all tools when aloft, and isolating the deck area below the work area, using properly checked, certified, and secured equipment, ensuring that all required PPE is worn and safety harnesses are correctly fitted and tightened in all directions. Once the risk assessment process is finished, a permit to work should also be completed by the person in charge. On completion of the permit to work, and before starting the task, a toolbox talk should be held with all personnel involved. This should cover the contents of the risk assessment and the procedures for the upcoming job. Working at height on board a vessel can be a dangerous task. However, by following safety procedures and working together effectively, we can reduce the risk of accidents and injuries. Implementing control measures, such as those highlighted in this video, can make all the difference when it comes to working safely at height. For further information on this or any marine safety or risk-related topic, please email lossprevention@tyndallriley.com.